Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to set your Telegram account to automatically delete itself after 1 month of inactivity. This is a powerful privacy feature that ensures your data doesn't sit unused forever, especially if you stop using the app. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might be the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Next, go to Settings. This is where you control everything related to your account, from notifications to privacy options. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to manage how your account behaves and how your data is handled. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete My Account. This might sound a bit drastic, but don't worry. It only activates under specific conditions. Tap on Delete My Account, and you'll see a list of time options. These define how long Telegram will wait before automatically deleting your account if you don't log in. From the list, choose 1 month. This means that if you don't access your Telegram account for a full month, it will be permanently deleted, along with all your chats, groups, and contacts. Once selected, your setting is saved automatically. There's nothing else you need to confirm, and that's it. Your Telegram account is now set to self-destruct after 1 month of inactivity. It's a simple but effective way to stay in control of your digital footprint and protect your privacy without needing to manually delete your account later.